Reporting a stolen card.
Hello, I need help with my bank card.
Of course. What happened?
I think my card was stolen today.
I am sorry to hear that. When did you notice it was missing?
About 1 hour ago.
Did you check your wallet and your car?
Yes, I checked everywhere.
I understand. Have you seen any strange transactions?
Yes, I received 2 messages from the bank.
Were those purchases made by you?
No, I did not make those purchases.
Thank you for telling me. I can help you block the card.
Please block it right away.
I will do that now. Can you confirm your full name?
My name is Jackson Smith.
Thank you. Can you also confirm your date of birth?
Yes, it is May 14, 1995.
Thank you. I have verified your account.
Great. Is the card blocked now?
Yes, your card is now blocked.
That is a relief.
No one can use the card anymore.
What about the transactions?
We will investigate them for you.
Thank you. What should I do next?
I can order a replacement card.
Yes, please. I need a new card.
It will arrive in 5 to 7 business days.
That sounds good.
Would you like updates by text message?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Perfect. Everything is set up.
Thank you for your quick help.
You're welcome. Have a safe day. Speaking with a flight attendant.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I am feeling a little cold.
I can bring you a blanket.
Thank you. I would appreciate that.
I will get one right away.
Thanks.
Here is your blanket.
This is perfect.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. Could I have some water?
Certainly. I will bring a bottle of water.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
I appreciate your help.
You are welcome.
What time will we arrive?
We are expected to arrive at 4:30 p.m.
That is good. We are on time.
Yes, everything is going smoothly.
I am happy to hear that.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
I am traveling for a vacation.
That sounds wonderful.
I am very excited about this trip.
I hope you have a great time.
Thank you.
If you need anything during the flight, please let me know.
I will. Thank you for being so kind.
It is my pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your flight. Asking about a bus.
Excuse me, I need some information about a bus.
Sure. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the city center.
No problem. The number 12 bus goes there.
Where can I catch that bus?
The bus stop is across the street.
How often does it come?
It comes every 20 minutes.
When is the next bus?
The next one arrives in 10 minutes.
That is good. How much is the ticket?
It costs $2.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can pay with cash or a card.
How long is the trip?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Does the bus stop near the train station?
Yes, it stops right in front of it.
Great. I need to visit the train station too.
Then this bus is a good choice.
Is it usually crowded?
It is a little busy during rush hour.
I understand.
Are you traveling today for work?
No, I am meeting a friend.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we have not met for a long time.
I hope you have a great time together.
Thank you. Is there anything else I should know?
Just have your ticket ready when you get on the bus.
Okay, that is easy.
The bus should be here very soon.
Thank you for all the information.
You are welcome. Enjoy your trip. A quick stop for fuel.
Hello, I would like to buy some fuel.
Certainly. Which pump are you using?
I am using pump number 6.
Great. What type of fuel do you need?
Regular gasoline, please.
How much would you like?
I would like a full tank.
No problem. I can help with that.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. We are happy to have you here.
The station looks very clean.
Thank you. We work hard to keep it nice.
I appreciate that.
Your tank is filling now.
Great. How long will it take?
Just a few more minutes.
Okay.
Are you traveling far today?
Yes, I am driving to another city.
That sounds exciting.
It is a business trip.
I hope everything goes well.
Thank you.
Your tank is now full.
Perfect. How much do I owe?
The total is $48.
I will pay by card.
That is fine.
Here is my card.
The payment is approved.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe drive. Talking to a delivery rider.
Hello. Are you here with a package for me?
Yes, I have a delivery for Jackson Smith.
That is me.
Great. Can I confirm your address?
Sure. It is 45 Green Street.
Perfect. That matches our records.
Wonderful. I have been waiting for this package.
I understand. It arrived this morning.
Was it difficult to find my house?
Not at all. The directions were very clear.
That is good to hear.
May I see an ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks correct.
Can I sign now?
Yes. Please sign on this device.
Done.
Thank you. Your package is ready.
Does it look okay?
Yes, the box is in good condition.
Excellent.
Please check the label before opening it.
Let me see. Yes, it has my name on it.
Perfect.
You arrived earlier than I expected.
Traffic was very light today.
That helped a lot.
Yes, it did.
Thank you for bringing the package safely.
It is my pleasure.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Enjoy your package.